Here we go again, folks, another new channel. I've been talking to this guy on the phone, and I really think he's going to bring something to the table. Check out this traffic stop that he recorded. I will drop the link for his channel in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, folks, here we go.
Hey, what's up, bro? Hey, man, when I got behind you, dude, I can see that your license plate light, even though it's like kind of dim, it's got to illuminate the license plate better than it is.
Okay.
Understand?
Yep.
You have your ID on you?
I do. So that was the reason for but it's good though, right?
It's got to illuminate from 50 feet.
It's good though, right?
No, it's not. That's why I pulled you over. That's why my lights are on.
So you're telling me that you pulled me over for a dim license?
Yes.
Okay.
That's exactly what I'm telling you.
Okay.
And you know the little month sticker that you have on there? It's faded.
A what?
The month sticker?
Okay. I just put that on
what's up with
there.
the attitude, man?
What attitude? I don't know what you're talking about. It's just you pulled me over. I'm right here at my mom's house. Just got off work, tired, so.
Okay.
Okay.
What's your license?
It's right here.
All right, now here's your license back, man, all right? Have a good night.
This guy is friends with another channel that I am friends with. I can't really spill the beans on who that is. I'll let them do it if they want to. But from what I get from this guy is he's an activist at heart, and he's also a fighter. He fights charges, and he's going to start recording police as well. I definitely want to connect with this dude. He does not live too far from me. You guys can expect some future videos for me and this guy together. You guys go subscribe. Let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day. Peace.